To customize Control Center on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, first of all, if you want to remove something, for example those pages that you are not using over here, you can easily do that by clicking on the plus in the left upper corner. Now you have to scroll for this page that you want to remove and click over here on the minus, and now the another one. So as you can see, we can currently find only those shortcuts. Now if you want to change position of those shortcuts, you can easily do this by clicking, holding, dragging and releasing wherever you want. And you can also change size of those shortcuts. So if I'm gonna drag this one like so, as you can see, the calculator is a little bit bigger and a little bit easier to click. We can even get this square, like super big. But of course you can also remove them by clicking over here. You can remove every shortcut from the Control Center that you want to remove. Now we can also bring here a new shortcuts by clicking to add a control. Now we can find all of those lists. So if I want to add, for example, the ambient music sleep, I have to just click on it and it's visible over here. If I want to add the another page, I can also do that. That's just up to your preferences. You can put here some applications, shortcuts. There we go. Now we can click outside, and as you can see, that's how you can easily do that. So that's everything for this video. I hope you find it useful.